The Ponhog Rolling Backpack is designed to accommodate a 15.6-inch laptop and offers a spacious 30-liter capacity, making it perfect for short trips lasting up to 3 days. This versatile backpack is airline-approved, fitting easily in overhead compartments or under seats, ensuring a hassle-free travel experience. Crafted from durable 1680 denier water-resistant nylon, the backpack provides excellent protection against spills and features padded shoulder straps for added comfort. Its two-in-one design allows users to effortlessly switch between rolling and carrying modes, reducing shoulder strain and adapting to various travel needs. The backpack boasts a sleek and practical design, making it suitable for travel, business, commuting, and college, while also serving as a thoughtful gift for special occasions. The Ponhog Rolling Backpack combines functionality with style, offering a reliable solution for those seeking a versatile and comfortable travel companion.